So ngayon nandito ako sa Bacolod. May requirement ako ng quick morning workout lang. So buti na lang meron ONI bike rental shop ako napuntahan. So sa halagang 250 per day, nagkaroon ako ng chance na magawa yung morning activity ko without bringing my own bike here in Bacolod City coming from Luzon. Katulad din yan ng Hilti for Rent at Wilcon, no? So you don't need to buy unplanned power tools to cope up with your productivity. You can simply go to the branches in Balintawak and Alabang of Wilcon Depot to just go rent dun sa mga required power tools nyo para makatulong to finish your required job na hindi na kayo mahihirapan pa for huge investment and to ensure na ma-increase yung productivity nyo at matapos yung mga pending na mga jobs nyo. Tulad ng ONI Bike Rental Shop, sinagot niya yung requirement ko for my morning workout ride. Ayos!